Important note, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here's your market briefing from Rumour with AI. Bitcoin's network integrity is currently under siege as a contentious hard fork at block 961,632 splits the chain. Nodes enforcing BIP 110 are rejecting non-signaling blocks, testing the limits of miner consensus. This divergence creates immediate uncertainty for network stability and short-term price action. Meanwhile, the macroeconomic landscape is shifting rapidly. The UN Food Price Index hit 131.1 in July 2026, driven by a 3.4% surge in cereal prices. Heatwaves and Black Sea disruptions are tightening supply chains, signaling persistent inflation risks that central banks cannot ignore. This inflationary pressure is reshaping global trade dynamics. In the United States, a $100 billion tariff refund distribution is underway. Analysis reveals massive corporate beneficiaries like Apple and Walmart, while small businesses and consumers see minimal relief. This disparity highlights the uneven impact of protectionist policies on market liquidity and consumer spending power. On the geopolitical front, India is successfully shielding its citizens from a $122 oil shock. By absorbing the $52 per barrel crude surge through strategic tax cuts, New Delhi has spared consumers from the 30 to 50% price hikes seen globally. This fiscal maneuver stabilizes domestic demand but strains government revenues, creating a complex trade-off for emerging market investors. In related news, regulatory uncertainty continues to cloud the digital asset sector. Odds of the Senate passing the Clarity Act have crashed to just 27%. Conservative holdouts are blocking progress, creating prolonged ambiguity for XRP and the broader crypto market. This legislative stalemate delays clarity for institutional adoption and keeps volatility elevated. Looking ahead to today's release, there are no major high-impact economic calendar events scheduled in the next 36 hours. Traders are currently digesting the structural shifts in energy, food, and crypto regulations rather than reacting to immediate data prints. The market is in a holding pattern, waiting for clearer signals from both monetary policy and geopolitical developments. Investors should monitor the Bitcoin chain divergence closely, as it may set a precedent for future protocol upgrades. The disparity in tariff benefits also warrants attention, as it may influence corporate earnings reports and supply chain strategies in the coming quarters. India's oil strategy serves as a case study for other import-dependent nations facing similar energy crises. Finally, the delay in crypto legislation remains a key risk factor for digital asset valuations. As the week progresses, the interplay between inflation data, regulatory delays, and energy costs will define market sentiment. Stay alert for any sudden shifts in miner support or political developments that could alter these trajectories. That's your market briefing. Follow Rumour with AI for daily market intelligence.